Each year, the International Day of Peace is observed around the world on the 21st of September. The United Nations General Assembly has declared this as a day devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace through observing 24 hours of non-violence and ceasefire. In 2021, as we heal from the COVID-19 pandemic, we're inspired to think creatively and collectively about how to help everyone recover better, how to build resilience, and how to transform our world into one that is more equal, more just, equitable, inclusive, sustainable, and healthier.
The pandemic is known for hitting the underprivileged and marginalised groups the hardest. By April 2021, over 687 million COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered globally, but over 100 countries haven't even received a single dose. People caught in conflict are especially vulnerable in terms of lack of access to healthcare.
As last year, the Secretary-General is appealing for a global ceasefire to support a sustained humanitarian pause to local conflicts. The global ceasefire must continue to be honoured if we are to ensure people that everybody world over has access to life-saving vaccinations. The pandemic has been accompanied by a surge in stigma, discrimination and hatred, which only cost more lives instead of saving them. The virus attacks all without caring about where we are from or what we believe in. Confronting this common enemy of humankind, we must be reminded that we are not each other's enemy. To be able to recover from the devastation of the pandemic, we must make peace with one another.
And we must make peace with nature. Despite the travel restrictions and economic shutdowns, climate change is not on pause. What we need is a green and sustainable global economy that produces jobs, reduces emissions, and builds resilience to climate impacts.
The 2021 theme for the International Day of Peace is Recovering Better for an Equitable and Sustainable World. Here in Carmarthen, Carmarthen, we're pleased to be joining the efforts of the United Nations family as we focus on recovering better for a more equitable and peaceful world.